Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to convert your YouTube video into text. Right, so if you've been looking for a way to convert a YouTube video into text, you want to see the script that the YouTuber used on that particular video, or you want to just go through the script and learn one or two characters there, then this video is for you. So I'll be taking you step by step on how you can create text from the YouTube video you've been waiting for. Right now, if this is the first time you are coming to this channel, please do well to support me by giving me a subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Now let's head to YouTube so we can go and get the video that we want to use for this. So here we are on YouTube, and let's search for a video. Okay, let's go through this one. Stop trying to find your niche. Right, so I'll now click on this particular three-dotted line, and I'll click on share. I'll click on copy link. I'll now copy the link. Then let's go to Chrome. Here in my Chrome, you will search for the website we are going to use for this particular video. Is called TurboScribe. 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 I hope you can see it here. So this is the site we're going to use. I'll now click on open. Now the site has opened. If this is the first time you are coming to this particular site, you definitely have to register. As you can see, this is the sign of my Google account. So you just need to input your Google account and you are good to go. Now you can see you have only 3. They will allow you to create 3 transcripts in a day. So you can only transcribe 3 times in a day, and I've transcribed twice today, so left with 1. Now what will I do? I'll now click on transcribe. So I'll click on transcribe and this page will pop up. So I'll now click on this arrow here. I hope you can see this arrow sign. So when I tap here, then I'll have to enter the link which I copied from my preferred video. I'll now click, then I'll click on import. So let's wait for the video to import. Now you can see the video has been imported, and look at the name. Stop trying to find your niche, do this instead. Now look at where they say transcribe. You can decide to filter it by going through here. They said recognize speaker, transcribe to English. That is, if the video is in other languages, you can decide to transcribe it to English, restore audio, and all of that. So you can decide to check each of these boxes and proceed. For the sake of this video, let's click on transcribe. You see what they told me? You have used all your free transcription for the day. So because I just created the 3rd transcription today, so after this now I won't be able to create another one today because I've used all the ones they gave me for the day. That's because I did not subscribe. So this is completely free unless you want to transcribe more, so you can decide to upgrade. But for me, this 3 is enough for me. Yeah. Okay, now as you can see, our transcription has completed, and this is it here. So the next thing you will do is you click on this 3-dotted line and you click on open transcript. So you can see the title says stop trying to find your niche, do this instead. So these are the full transcript of this particular video, as you can see. So if you want to copy,
I'm telling you all of that.
If you want to copy it, you can now copy it. And the voice here, you can also download the voice if you want to make use of the voice too. That is, you are generating the text and the voice at the same time. So if you look at this particular place, you'll see where they say download audio. So you can still download the audio voice. You can also export the transcript. So this export now is more like downloading. So with this, you can actually access the script of any YouTube video. You can convert any YouTube video to text and to audio, and you can decide to make use of it. You can decide to learn from it, or just to go through this script. I believe this video will be helpful to you. Please do well to give me a subscribe, like, share, comment, so that you know the kind of video you want us to do. See you on the next one.